Hello Joanne, I hope you are doing good, being fine and shine. Here I have created a simple interactive KPI scorecard dashboard tailored specifically for your scenario. I have hypothetically determined the threshold limits for good, average and poor, and these thresholds are dynamic and linked with the ranges contained in this sheet named as config, so that in future you may change the threshold as per your needs. In this dashboard, you can select single or multiple virtual assistants or resources as per your need. As you can see that the KPI assessment chart is dynamically connected with the slicer and the table. For example, I want to compare the performance of Jason versus Josh. You can also place your business logo here to make this dashboard more professional. A more value-adding addition could be to add a date field in database, and then I can also insert a timeline parameter so that you may select the week or month to analyze the data as per your needs. For tasks, a separate slicer is inserted using which you can interact with tasks. For example, I want to look at the task send email to CEO. Whom did we assign this task to? Just click on the task. Alright, this task was assigned to Peter and it's 90% completed. If you want to add another task, then you can add it simply like this. And for example, I am assigning this task to Josh, and this task is initially 20% completed. Here you can see the task is added. If you want to add another task, then you can add it simply like this. Now for example, I want to add another KPI. I can also add it simply. I need to add a column first. For example, it's number of refunds. Look here, when I press enter, this KPI will dynamically be built in this KPI assessment chart. I press enter, here you go, number of refunds is automatically built in. Then we can also fetch data here or insert it manually. If I want to add another resource in tasks, I can do it simply like this. For example, it's me, Waqas, you are going to add, and the task is, for example, 80% completed. For example, this task, get the project completed, you are also assigning this task to John, Parker and then Waqas. And for Waqas, it's 80% completed. Enter, here you go. Okay, if it's 30% completed, enter, here you go. That's all. Perfect. So this is our final version of deliverable. I hope it will suffice your needs. However, my after sales services are available for the lifetime, so please do not ever hesitate to communicate back in case of any query or confusion. Had a very nice and pleasant working experience with you, Joanne. Thank you very much. Best regards.